If you want to unlink your Kayak account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Kayak. Visit the Kayak website or open the Kayak app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings, look for a section that mentions linked accounts or social media connections. This is where you can manage your connections to Facebook and other services. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Click on this option and confirm any prompts to complete the process. Step 5. Verify the unlinking. After unlinking, it is a good idea to log out and log back into your Kayak account to ensure that the Facebook connection has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily unlink your Kayak account from Facebook. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kayak's customer support for further assistance.